Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an email newsletter on Mailchimp. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto Mailchimp.com and you can get started for completely free. As you can see right here, you can sign up using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. On the free plan, you'll be able to send up to 1,000 emails and you can add one user, as you can see right there. And if you'd like to go up to their paid plan, it starts off at $6.50. But for this tutorial, we'll be starting off with the free plan. So you're going to tap on sign up, or if you already have an account on Mailchimp, you could tap on log in. To sign up, all you'll need is your email address and you'll also create a password. Once you have signed up and you have verified your email address, you'll be led to this dashboard, and from here all you'll need to do is tap on skip, or you could choose whichever option suits you. So for this example, I'll simply tap on we are currently not selling, then I'll tap on skip right here. Once you have done that and you're on the main dashboard, let me tap on continue for free in the bottom right hand corner. Then it is preparing my account, as you can see right here. Once on the main dashboard, I'll be showing you how to create an email address. Now this is how the Mailchimp dashboard looks. To get started, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap on campaigns. Once you have tapped on campaigns, you will see a drop down menu, as you can see right here. So you can see how it looks. And you're going to go and you're going to tap on create a campaign. So let's do that real quick. After we have tapped on create a campaign, we'll be led to this page. And what I want you to do from here, you can tap on regular email if you want and use their email builder to launch a campaign in minutes. Or you could tap on automation and set up email automations that personalize your marketing and save time. For this example, I'll tap on design email. After you have tapped on design email, you'll be led to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you can add the recipients right there. Then after you have done that, you could add your email address and you can also add a subject. Then right where you see design email, you tap right there. After you have tapped on design email, you're going to be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous email templates that you can choose from. So for example, you can scroll down until you find a newsletter that you like. So you can see the different options, as you can see right here. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this particular one right here. All I'll need to do is tap on apply. After you have tapped on apply, you'll be led to this page. And as you can see in the left hand menu option, you have all of the content boxes and layout options that you can add. So this is how your email newsletter look at the moment. If you'd like to add an heading, you could do that by simply tapping on heading right here and drag and place it in position. You can also add buttons, images, you could add your logo if you want, or if you wanted to add social media, you could do that. You can also change the style by tapping on styles in the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on styles, from there you could tap on email and you could change the email background color if you want. So you could tap on background color. And let's say we'll want to change it to blue. You could do that, as you can see right there. Then we'll tap on done. You could also change the body color of the email, which is this section right here. Or if you would like to add a background image, you could do that. You can also edit the text, so you will be able to change the font style and also the font size if you want. And then you can scroll down if you would like to add any links, or if you would like to change the link color or the button colors, you can also do that. Once everything is to your liking, you'll scroll back up and you could tap on mobile, and from there you could preview how it would look on a mobile device. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on save and exit, or you could preview the changes that you have made. We're going to tap on save and exit for this example, as I want to go back to show you how you would be able to do it on the automation. And by the way, you can also send a test email if you want. But let's go back into Mailchimp. Once in Mailchimp editor again, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to do it if we were to select automation. So we're going to go over here and we're going to tap on all campaigns once more. Then we're going to tap on create new in the top right hand corner. After we have tapped on create new, we are going to select create journey. So I'll be showing you how to set up automations on Mailchimp. Once on this page, you can tap on choose pre-built journey. So we'll be able to use a template, and by automation this simply means that certain things will trigger stuff. For example, you'll send your first email, and if the person responds to that email, you'll be able to send something else. Or you can also set up an automation, which means that you'll be able to send a customer an email, let's say every other day or so on. It is all up to you. To get started, you can see right here, this is an automation. So you can set up to welcome new contacts. You can also set it up to welcome contacts who subscribe via pop-up form. You can see there are numerous templates that you can choose from. All you'll need to do is scroll down and select the automation that you want. So let's say, for example, we'd like to set up an automation to welcome customers that subscribe via pop-up. So we are going to tap on that, and you can see how the automation is set up. You can see right here. So you'll send a welcome email and follow-up email 3 days later, and you'll tag all contacts who receive these emails. So that's basically it. Just like I said earlier, that is how an automation is. As you can see here, contacts sign up to an audience. Then after that, they receive the first email. And after that, they'll receive the second email, as you can see right here with the 3-day delay. If you would like to add something else, you can also do that. All you'll need to do, if you want to add another automation, you can do that, or something else to the journey, you can do that. For example, you will simply go over to the left hand menu option, better yet the right hand menu option, and you're going to tap on use this journey. Then you'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, I'll be showing you how to add something else. You'll simply tap on the plus right here to add a journey point, and you'll be able to add something else if you want. So by tapping right there, you can choose another action. As you can see right here, you can choose to send an email, send an SMS, send survey in email, or you can choose any one of these automation options. So that's how you'll be able to add an automation. Then you could tap on send test emails, or you could upgrade to continue, as this is not available on the free plan. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.